Hi friends, today let us learn about vouchers. First, what is voucher in Tally? Second, how many voucher types are there in Tally? Third, how to use those vouchers in Tally? And fourth, how and what to enter in different types of vouchers. Voucher is a document where we record all the transactions of the company. Now, let us learn in Tally. Let us go to vouchers here. Press enter. This is the voucher entry screen. Here it is mentioned as payment. That is payment voucher. If you come on the right hand side, here all the voucher types have been mentioned. There are 6 types of voucher entries in Tally. They are contra voucher, payment voucher, receipt voucher, journal voucher, sales voucher and purchase voucher. These are the main 6 accounting voucher entry types in Tally. Now here it is mentioned payment. Now let us go to contra voucher. By clicking here you can change it to contra voucher. See, now it has been changed to contra voucher. The contra voucher is used only for internal cash and bank transactions. That means cash deposited into the bank and second cash withdrawn from the bank and transferring money from one bank to another bank. These 3 transactions can be entered in this contra voucher. Now we can go to payment voucher. By clicking here, we can change it to payment voucher. See, now it has been changed to payment. When the company makes payment through cash or check, we should use this payment voucher. Example, salary payment, office rent payment, payment to the suppliers, and mobile bill payment, and asset purchased by check or cash. All these entries should be entered in payment voucher. Now let us go to receipt voucher. By clicking here, we can change it to receipt. Yeah, see here it has been changed to receipt voucher. When the company receives money through cash, check or bank transfer, we should use this receipt voucher to enter the transactions. For example, receiving amount from customer, interest received from bank, business owner introducing capital into the business. All these entries should be entered in these receipt vouchers. Now let us go to journal voucher. By clicking on journal here, we can change it to journal voucher. See, now it has been changed to journal voucher. This journal voucher is used to enter adjustment entries. Here, no cash or bank is involved. Example, depreciation entry, outstanding expenses and receivables or credit purchase of fixed assets. All these kinds of entries should be entered in journal voucher. Now let us go to sales voucher. By clicking on sales or by pressing F8 key, we can change it to sales voucher. See, now it has been changed to sales voucher. Sales voucher is used to record the sales of the goods or services. Whether it is a cash sales or credit sales, both should be entered in this sales voucher. Now let us go to purchases. By clicking on purchase here or pressing F9 key, we can go to purchase voucher. See, now it has been changed to purchase voucher. In this purchase voucher, we record the purchases of goods, whether it is a raw material or finished goods. It should be entered in purchase voucher. Friends, these are the 6 types of accounting vouchers used to record different transactions in Tally. In next class, we learn each and every voucher entry practically with live examples. If you have any doubts, any questions, please comment below. Definitely I'll answer it. And in the description box, we have kept one PDF file explaining all the voucher types. Please download it and go through it. If you like this video, subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you, friends.